this is a really unique opportunity. But these are wines we're only making on order. So we might only make 17 cases or 10 cases or something.
The final step of finishing the wine.
We might do something that we wouldn't do normally that's still super cool, like a single varietal or a single block bottling.
I think it's fun when we do 2 different clones and just keep them separate. One barrel of, say, clone 337 and one barrel of clone 7.
So it's something we would never do commercially, but say we're just going to bottle clone 15 from the flat area. That's never been bottled by itself. In fact, we've never commercially bottled anything as far as Cabernet as a single block Cabernet.
And you're totally seeing just terroir.
For me, it's a great experience.
So I think more people should be super cool and take advantage of this.